Solved problems. Total assets, total liabilities, owner's equity, total income, total expenses, accounting equation. Problem. A portion of financial statements dated December 31, 2019 with the following accounts and balances were gathered from Cole's photocopier. Accounts payable 25,600, accounts receivable 52,400, accumulated depreciation building 18,500, buildings 200,000, cash 37,700, depreciation expense 18,000, interest income 1,680, interest receivable 1,680, loans payable 50,000, mortgage payable 15,600, Cole's capital 200,000, notes receivable 14,000, office supplies 13,000, taxes and licenses 22,800, utilities expense 36,000, revenues 94,100, supplies expense 9,900. Based on the information above, A. Compute for the total assets. B. Compute for total liabilities. C. Compute for owner's equity. D. Compute for total income. E. Compute for total expenses. You may check your answers by using the accounting equation assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Solution. Assets amount. Cash 37,700. Accounts receivable 52,400. Notes receivable 14,000. Interest receivable 1,680. Buildings 200,000. Accumulated depreciation minus 18,500. Total assets 287,280. Liabilities amount. Accounts payable 25,600. Loans payable 50,000. Mortgage payable 15,600. Total liabilities 91,200. Income amount. Revenues 94,100. Interest income 1,680. Total income 93,780. Expenses amount. Utilities expense 36,000. Taxes and licenses 22,800. Depreciation expense 18,000. Office supplies 13,000. Supplies expense 9,900. Total expenses 99,700. Net income. Income. Revenues 94,100. Interest income 1,680. Total income 95,780. Expenses. Utilities expense 36,000. Taxes and licenses 22,800. Depreciation expense 18,000. Office supplies 13,000. Supplies expense 9,900. Total expenses 99,700. Net income. Revenue minus expenses minus 3,920. This is a net loss. Owner's equity. Whole capital 200,000 less net loss 3,920. Total owner's equity 196,080. Particulars amount. Total assets 287,280. Total liabilities 91,200. Total owner's equity 196,080. Accounting equation. Total assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Accounting equation. 287,280 is equal to 91,200 plus 196,080. Accounting equation. 287,280 is equal to 287,280. Solution. Summary. The trial balance appears like this. Cash debit 37,700. Accounts receivable debit 52,400. Notes receivable debit 14,000. Interest receivable debit 1,680. Buildings debit 200,000. Accumulated depreciation credit 18,500. Account payable credit 25,600. Loans payable credit 50,000. Mortgage payable credit 15,600. Whole capital 200,000 credit. Revenues 94,100 credit. Interest income 1,680 credit. Utilities expense 36,000 debit. Taxes and licenses 22,800 debit. Depreciation expense 18,000 debit. Office supplies 13,000 debit. Supplies expense 9,900 debit. Total debits 405,480. Total credits 405,480. Total assets, cash 37,700, accounts receivable 52,400, notes receivable 14,000, interest receivable 1680, buildings 200,000, accumulated depreciation buildings 18,500 minus total assets 287,280. Total liabilities, accounts payable 25,600, loans payable 50,000, mortgage payable 15,600, total liabilities 91,200. Total owner's equity, Coal's capital 200,000, revenues 94,100, interest income 1,680, utilities expense minus 36,000, tax and licenses minus 22,800, depreciation expense minus 18,000, office supplies minus 13,000, salaries expense minus 9,900. Total owner's equity is equal to 196,080. Total income, revenues 94,100, interest income 1,680, total income 95,780. Total expenses, utilities expense 36,000, in taxes and licenses 22,800, office supplies 13,000, depreciation expense 18,000, supplies expense 9,900, total expenses 99,700. Accounting equation, total assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Accounting equation, 280 is equal to 91,200 plus 196,080. Accounting equation, 280 is equal to 280.
Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.